Today we are going to make two delicious peanut butter frostings. One is a peanut butter cream cheese frosting, and the second is a peanut butter buttercream frosting. And these are all the ingredients that you will need to make each of these. So let's start with the peanut butter buttercream frosting. We're going to put a half of stick of softened butter into a bowl. Then add 1/3 cup of peanut butter. And blend those together until smooth and creamy. And to that, we're going to add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add a half a cup of our powdered sweetener, and we're going to add this a little at a time as we continue to blend to avoid any lumps. Now, after I added some more sweetener, the mixture was a little bit dry. So what I did is I started adding some of the heavy whipping cream. And I continue to add the whipping cream along with the sweetener until I incorporated all of the sweetener, and also this frosting was the consistency that I wanted it to be. And another thing that I want to point out as well is that I made a half a batch of each of these frostings. So if you want the full batch, just double the ingredients. And as you can see, this frosting is looking really, really good, smooth and creamy. Look at that, you guys. That is the perfect consistency. Now I'm going to take a rubber mallet and just stir just to make sure that all of the ingredients are well incorporated. And this frosting is the perfect consistency for frosting cupcakes or a cake. So delicious. Absolutely perfect. Now we're going to move on to the peanut butter cream cheese frosting. And we're going to start with a half stick of softened butter. Then 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. One-third cup of peanut butter. these ingredients until well incorporated. Next, we're going to add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and blend that in. And now we're going to start incorporating a half cup of the powdered sweetener, a little at a time. And again, this is to avoid any lumps. And once it starts to get too thick to blend well, then that's when you start to add some liquid, and that being the heavy whipping cream. Final amount of the heavy whipping cream, and I think all in all I ended up using about a third cup. And now for the remaining sweetener. By adding this sweetener a little at a time, I maintain a smooth, creamy, lump-free consistency in this batter. And the final product. Give it a stir just to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated, and you now have a smooth and creamy peanut butter cream cheese frosting. So delicious. If you enjoyed these recipes, please do give it a thumbs up, please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.